Hey, good morning again. Joe with Right Home Inspections back in Minnetonka. Got another video on the house I did the radon monitor on, or radon mitigation system on this morning, looking at some aluminum clad wood windows. The aluminum clad means they're aluminum on the outside. Wood means that the core is wood and the structure is wood. This one is completely coming apart. The sash, let's see if I can get it here. Get upside down and look at this. The sash is completely coming apart at the bottom because it's totally rotten out underneath here. So then if I look at some of these other windows over here, I'm seeing the same thing. What's interesting is the poor design. Water runs down this window on the outside, and then because of the way they lapped this corner, the side should overlap the bottom. But they didn't do it that way. The bottom overlaps the side. So as water runs down here, it's running into this gap, and it's getting into the wood structure of the window. And if I pull this back a little bit, I can see that inside there, this whole bottom structure of this window is rotten. So that's going to be an expensive repair, because as we back up without stepping off the deck, we're going to see, I'm going to step off the deck, that's a pretty big window. So that window is rotten. That window is rotten. That window has been replaced. So then we're getting into the question, okay, then are these windows up here, because they're the originals, rotting as well? So that's quite a few $1,000s worth of windows to need to replace on the back of this house, when you consider that these casements over here are also starting to rot. This whole wall of windows, likely it's kind of one of those, while you're at it projects, if you're going to tear the cedar siding off and you're going to replace one or two of these windows, then how far are you going to go? It's going to be an expensive repair. Again, can't emphasize enough, another reason for a professional home inspection when you're buying a home, and a thorough home inspection with Right Home Inspections. That's all for now.